You've probably seen Luna all over your feed lately, pumping hard on the back of the V2.18 network upgrade and Do Kwon's sentencing hype, where prosecutors are literally asking for 12 years in prison for him. What's up, guys? Mooney here, and today you're listening to Money Talks. Before we let ChatGPT PRO take you into the deep end, do me a favor. Smash like, hit subscribe, turn on the bell so you don't miss the next breakdown. If you're new here, Luna is the main token of Terra 2.0, used for staking and governance on the rebooted chain after the 2022 collapse. Right now, it's back in the spotlight thanks to the V2.18 upgrade focused on security and stability. I've been watching this coin for a while, and this time I forced ChatGPT PRO to run a full-stack analysis, technicals, on-chain, sentiment, and fundamentals, and then calculate what could happen over the next 30 days. Let's start with the chart, and I'll keep it baby-friendly. On the daily time frame, Luna is trading around $0.19, more than doubling over the last week according to several price trackers. The candles have broken way above the middle of the Bollinger Bands, and the 20-day EMA has crossed above the 50-day, which is classic uptrend behavior. But the RSI is already in overbought territory, which simply means the move has been very strong, very fast. Think of a train going full speed with people packed inside. It's still moving, but at some point, some passengers will want to get off. Zooming into the 4-hour chart, you see the after-rocket pattern. Huge volume, high trend strength, but candles near 0.22 to 0.25 starting to show exhaustion. Local support is sitting roughly in the 0.18 to 0.16 area. For beginners, the simple rule is this. Above 0.18, the trend still looks healthy. Below 0.16, you're likely looking at the party ending and distribution kicking in. On the on-chain and derivatives side, 24-hour volume has exploded into the hundreds of millions, and futures open interest has climbed with it. Some funding prints even flipped negative, meaning a lot of traders tried shorting into the pump. Sentiment is mixed. One camp is pushing the Terra comeback narrative after the successful V2.18 upgrade. The other still sees Terra as a damaged brand and is just trading the Do Kwon court drama as a short-term catalyst. That combination makes Luna very tradable, but also extremely easy to get wrecked on. Biggest red flag, this can flip into a pure sell the news move once the verdict is fully priced in, especially since we haven't seen a wave of killer dApps or massive TVL inflows yet. Now the fun part, the 30-day scenarios from ChatGPT PRO. Using today's price around 0.19 as the starting point, the model estimates roughly a 48% chance Luna spikes up at some point toward the 0.25 area, which is about a 28% move higher. There's about a 27% chance it just chops sideways between 0.15 and 0.23 with no clear direction, and a 25% chance it slides back toward 0.14, roughly 28% below today's level. The confidence score for this 30-day outlook is around 3 out of 5, so it's solid enough to think about, but not something you should tattoo on your arm. For a higher confidence view, the model looks at the next 48 hours. Confidence 4 out of 5, with about 55% odds of a push up toward roughly 0.21 and about 20% odds of a drop toward 0.17. Again, these are probability maps, not trading instructions. Quick reminder so nobody gets it twisted, none of this is financial, investment, trading, or any other kind of professional advice. This is educational content based on data and ChatGPT PRO's modeling. Always do your own research, double-check the numbers, and match any decision to your own risk tolerance. So here's what I want from you. Is Luna actually making a comeback, or is this just a fancy dead cat bounce? Drop your take in the comments, and if you're watching this a few weeks from now, come back and tell us which scenario actually played out. Also, tell me which coin you want ChatGPT PRO to dissect next. I'll pick some of the best comments and reply with fresh breakdowns. If you don't have access to pro-level AI tools, you're literally in the right place because I'm doing that work for you on this channel. Hit subscribe, smash like, share this with that one friend who still trades based on vibes, and I'll see you in the next episode of Money Talks.